welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got another storage unboxing. You can blame my Facebook group because they keep pointing out stuff to me. So this is another one that was recommended by somebody on the group, and I thought I would give it a go, and also of course be able to show you all. So this is very, very similar to storage that I already own, and you will see that when I get in it. So it actually seems to have a bit of damage, so we'll see what that's like inside and if that will pop out. Don't know if you can see that, but it just looks like it's been bashed by the postie. So this cost £15.81. And it does have another order in it. So I actually got notification that 2 of my orders had been received. Oh, excuse me. And I was like, what, eh? So they actually must both be from the same seller. I did go on a bit of an ordering spree. So first thing that I've got are some circle label stickers. I have quite a few square, but we didn't have any circle. So these cost £3.83 for 2,000. And it must be the same seller, of course, that I've ordered this off, and they've popped it inside. So that's always good to know. I do need to get my other passport holder sorted because that's what's going to hold these. But yeah, that's those. And then with this case, so the case was, let's say, £15.81. I get square label stickers with them on round pots. Go figure that one out. But the reason I got them is these pots are bigger, apparently. I will have to like fully test it out. They're definitely different. So they're more like a little glass bottle. And they can come with silver or gold lids, but I'm more of a silver girl than I am a gold girl, unless it's rose gold. So yeah, they're more like little pill bottles, but I thought it would be interesting, and £15.81 is not too bad a price for a 60 bottle case anyway. You still get the pouch in the top. I went for the plain black one, but that is because I already have some of these cases with the coloured zips. It is the same size. It does look to pretty much have the same handle. In fact, this handle probably works a little bit better than the one I've got. But just to show you, the bottles are wider and taller. Now some of that will be the lid, but they are wider bottles, so you will fit more diamonds in these. So if you have a project that's a bit heavier on diamonds, this one would be perfect, or if you like silver or gold, of course. But yeah, I like the little detail on the side as well. Caught me daft. But just the fact that it's got the matte silver and then it's got a little bit more of a shiny silver, I think it just makes it look cute. So yeah, it's all reflecting, of course, in my lighting, but that is one of my latest storage cases. I do think that's just an indent on the top from postage, so I'm not going to go too crazy over that. And yeah, I've got my stickers as well, which is always good. I probably got them quicker than I would have done if they were just shipped standard China mail. But I got some circle stickers for the times that I don't have an inventory sheet and I want to use one of my many cases that take bottles. They do seem a bit of a, they seem as though they're fitting in the same but a bit more squashed in. But say if you have a project that needs more diamonds, then that's worth it. I think it's just this one on the end. It's very squished in, but it worked for me. It works, you can carry it around and you can fit more diamonds in. So all the good for big projects. So thank you so much for joining me for that quick unboxing, and no doubt I'll speak to you all again soon.